Hi, I'm Jeremy with SolidWorks, and today we're at ECCO in Boise, Idaho, where they design and manufacture backup alarms and amber warning lights. Today we're going to see how they use the entire suite of SolidWorks solutions to design and manufacture their products.
ECCO is a 40-year-old company that designs and manufactures reversing systems and amber warning lights for commercial vehicles. We design reversing alarms, strobe lights, light bars, mini bars, any type of amber lighting that you would see on a commercial vehicle.
The product that I've been working on is our 630 heavy-duty backup alarm housing, and that's what got us into the business. For me, the design process, especially when I'm starting from scratch, it replaces a sketch pad because I can just as easily draw things and change them to the way I want on a computer as I could on a piece of paper.
ECCO's been very successful at using the whole suite of SolidWorks tools and integrating it into our systems and making it a core of what we do here at ECCO. The design intent is captured in all of our documentation, assembly drawings, part drawings, and finally, using SolidWorks Composer, manufacturing instructions. All of that data is vaulted in our SolidWorks Enterprise PDM vault.
Using SolidWorks, we're able to communicate easily to not only engineering, but to our customers, whether it's marketing or the end user, as far as what our product's going to look like, what it's going to do, and how it's going to perform.
Our mechanical engineers can use the suite of tools such as simulation to check stress. We can also use simulation to check thermal. We also use SolidWorks Flow to check thermal as well as aerodynamics. Additionally, once the design comes to fruition, we're going to want to take and use SolidWorks plastics to do analysis to see how that part will be tooled and how the tool itself will function. This has allowed us to take months out of our design process because we know we're getting that design right the first time.
SolidWorks works really well for us because with SolidWorks Enterprise we're able to keep track of all the data and route it through our engineering department to make sure everything's approved. It also allows us to share it with other parts of engineering so that we can create manufacturing documentation. And then from there with SolidWorks Composer we can actually send it down to our production floor and they'll have information to build the product with.
What this allows us to do is very quickly configure, produce prints, and present to the customer a full-up rendering of a product they would like to see manufactured for them.
We really utilize SolidWorks on the 12 series bar because it's a large product. It's 48 inches to 60 inches long, and there's a lot of components that go in it. Just to keep track of all those parts, make sure they mate together correctly, that there's no interference fits, was very critical and allowed me to focus on the design and not have to chase down loose ends. Through refining the design in SolidWorks, I was able to cut the production time in half.
In this day and age, we have to deliver the right product at the right price, and in doing so, we really need to optimize our designs.
I wouldn't be able to do this stuff that I'm doing without SolidWorks. Being able to design in 3D is so invaluable, and it's such a time saver.
SolidWorks to me is like a paintbrush is to an artist. It allows me to get what's in my head on screen and to show other people.
The suite of tools that we've been able to employ have really given ECCO a competitive advantage in the marketplace.
So as you've seen, ECCO uses a host of SolidWorks products to bring their passion for safety to their customers. To learn more, explore the rest of the videos in this series or contact your local SolidWorks reseller.